Hi, this is Mike, Captain Tie-Dye from Just Rockin' Out. I'm going to show you the final step in finishing off the tie-dye creations that you've made. Okay, I've brought my dyed items next to a sink, utility sink here. I'm going to pre-rinse these items. If you're only doing one or two items, you can just throw them directly into the washer. But since I made 5 of them, I'm going to pre-rinse these. Now, this is a pretty simple process. Basically, take the bag, you drop the bag into the sink, discard the bag, take off whatever ties or rubber bands you have, and rinse these out. Now I'm going to rinse the rubber bands off because I may want to use those again. Here. We're going to rinse this out. You kind of get a quick look at what it's going to look like, but you really don't know until it comes out of the washer and dryer. Now, rinse these. You're not trying to get all the dye out. You're just getting a lot of the bulk dye out of the item. So we're going to rinse this. Just about like that. That should be fine. Put that in a basket. And I'm going to do that to the rest of the items, and then I'll show you what to do with the washer. Okay, I have my tie-dyed items in the basket here, and now I need to put them in the washer. All of them there. And then I'm going to run it on a rinse cycle, which I have on my washer. If you don't have a rinse cycle, you can use a quick wash or something like that. All you're trying to do is get all the excess dye out initially, and then after this, you're going to run a regular wash cycle where you put in soap. Don't put soap in at this point. You're just trying to get a lot of the excess dye out. So we'll put this on rinse, and I'm going to rinse it a couple of times. And start the washer up. And when that's done, run it on a regular wash cycle with soap and put it in the dryer, dry it on cool, and your tie-dye items will be ready to wear.